Okay everyone, I'm going to talk a little bit about the assignment, and just to make sure that everyone from Dr. Hayner's class gets the full benefit of the instruction, I'll create this little movie to make sure you can add pages and do what you need to do to put information into the class wiki. So what you have here is the home page, and it has the nice little Common Craft video on what a wiki is in plain English. And so the assignment is we're going to be learning how to contribute to this wiki, but we're also going to be researching some Web 2.0 tool using this Cool Tools for Schools website that Dr. Hayner and I found. So it's a really cool site that categorizes different Web 2.0 tools and then offers various new software, web-based software that you could possibly use in the classroom. So I believe that everybody has already signed up. So in step 2, in order to contribute, you must first join the wiki. So everyone should have their WebPaint account, and then if you notice, I'm signed in up here as myself, and when you all sign in to the wiki, then that gives you the option to edit the wiki itself. So everybody, I believe, and I noticed by the number of members we have, that everybody has joined the site. So I'm going to skip steps 2 and 3, assuming that you have joined. And then step 4, the idea is that we're going to go to this Cool Tools for Schools wiki. New tab should come up here. And the idea is that we're going to look at this wiki, and we are going to find, takes a minute to load here, we're going to look through all of these different categories of tools, and notice they've got them listed on the side as well. So you're going to look for, if you're interested in creativity tools, image tools, drawing tools, whatever it is, or just play around with it till you can find something that's interesting to you. So let's say that I wanted to look up something in the slideshow realm. So I click on that, and then I get all of these tools. So there's Slide, Slideshare, Slide Rocket, Slide Boom, etc., etc. Well, I'm going to pick Slideshare because I'm actually familiar with this one, and it's a demo, so I want to make it quick. So I click on Slideshare here, and it should take me to the actual Slideshare account, website, and then I play with this tool. And this is a way to upload your PowerPoint presentations, Word documents, and to share them publicly, privately, put them on your blogs if you want, or in this case, the wiki, etc. And so you do, you get a free account with Slideshare, and I actually have an account, so I will log in. Okay. Might not. Oh, here I am. Okay. So I'm signed in, and I actually have Slidecasts. Actually, go to my slide space here. And I've got a bunch of these that I've uploaded for various classes that I've taught. So I've already used this tool, but if you were new to this, you would kind of explore this and see how it works and try to figure out, hey, yeah, this is the one that I want to report on. This seems like something I could use in my class. So let's go back. So I've scanned Cool Schools for Tools. I found that I like the tool that I found. And notice what category it's in here. It's in the Slideshow Tools category. So I have taken all of the categories and created separate pages for them. So here I am. I have found my tool, and I know what category it's in. So notice here, once you've decided on your tool, navigate the site, learn about the tool, try it out, use the tool. So, okay, pretend I've done all that, because I have, and I love it. So I'm going to go ahead and report out on that. So in the upper left-hand column, under the home page, I'm going to find the category that I want to look for. So this category, of course, is Slideshow Tools. Okay, so let's go up to Slideshow Tools. Here it is. This is Slideshow Tools. So I'm going to click on that page. Okay, so it looks like somebody has already added a product called Boo. Well, in my case, since I've selected on Slideshow Tools, and you should notice it's a light blue color to it that shows me it's selected. Here's where I want to add a new page. So I can name this page Slideshare. If I can spell correctly. I name this Slideshare. You don't need to key tag it. You don't, and we can use a blank page. And then I'm going to go ahead and add this page. So what I've basically done here is created my page that I'm going to use to report out on. Remember, I'm going to use Slideshare, and it fits under the category. If you look down, if you look over here now, it fits under its. Let me toggle that up. It's probably hard to see. Gosh, it's hard for me to see. But you should see the triangle over there that tells us, hey, there's some things under this page. So if I open that up, I'll notice under Slideshow Tools, somebody has something called Boo. I'll actually click on it just to show you. So somebody has done this. That would be Miss Polaris 10. So somebody has already started Boo. And I've got my Slideshare page. So this is ready for me now to add content. So let's go back to the instructions. That's how I created a page. It's important that you are on the main category so that when you click add a new page, it'll become a sub-page of that category to help our wiki stay organized. I'm gonna go back to the home page so that we're clear on our instructions. So let's scroll down here. Oh, a little too far. Okay, so I have found Slideshare, I added my page. All right, now, here's what I want to do. I created these tables on the category page to make it easy to navigate. And you'll see it's a little bit of work on your part, but in the long run it pays off as far as the organization of the wiki goes. So what I've asked you to do here is on the category page, we want to edit that page because I've already used that template for the tool and the information in the table, right? And I want there to be a link from that category page to my tool page. And I want to make sure that they work. And then I can put, and this, it's a little bit of redundancy, but if you were quickly looking for something, we could go right from that title page, oh, Slideshare, and then click on that. So let me show you what I mean by that. So we're going to go back to the Slideshow tools. And then here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to edit this. Okay. And then I'm going to add Slideshare. And that is the name of my tool. Now I want the web address here, right? Well, guess what? I've got Slideshare tabbed over here. So here's what I can do. And I'll just go back to the main page of Slideshare. I'm going to copy and paste this link. I'm going to copy this link, go back to what I was editing, and in here, if I go into, I can actually say Slideshare again. Two ways. I can actually add the address, or I can get tricky and create a link here. So if I say Slideshare here, I highlight that. Now I go up here to the link, click on that, and then I want to link it to this page, add link. Okay, so I'm not finished yet though. So the cool thing about this link up here is that I can link to the web address, but I can also link to my page within the wiki. And I'll show you, let's do this real quick. So I'm going to click link again, and now I'm going to just link to my own Slideshare page. And what I like about this is as I start to type this, hey look, I just typed SL and I had two options, Slideshow Tools and Slideshare. So I'm going to click Slideshare, right? It's a page on my own wiki. Now what? I'm going to click add link. Okay, now I'm going to click save, just to show you what we've done here. Save, you don't need to edit notes. So I'm on the Slideshow tool page, and this is basically sort of like a table of contents for all of the Slideshow tools that people are going to be reporting out on. So that when I click on the tool name here, it should take me to my Slideshare page within the wiki. Okay, so I'm going to go back. I'm going to go back to Slideshow tools. So that's how I would then, you see, using this as sort of like a table of contents to navigate all of those. And then I go over here to Slideshare web address, and it takes me to the actual tool site itself. So that's how I would start doing. That's how I would add a page, and that's why we're using this little table here to be able to add the tool name and the web address as sort of a way to organize all of the tools that we're reporting out on. So if we didn't do this, it wouldn't be the end of the world, but I would have to actually search under the Slideshow tools, you know, click on that, look down, oh, there's Boo and Slideshare, okay, so I can look for those. So whoever did Boo is going to need to do the same thing, where you'll link to the Boo page in the second, right in the second column here, or first column, second row, and then you'll link to the Boo website over here under web address. I hope that makes sense. So let's go back.